Welcome to Niksi. Thank you for visiting our website.
At Niksi, we're a multifaceted company with a clear mission to provide you the highest quality at a price that respects your budget.
What separates us from other companies is that all our departments are in-house.
So you only need to come to us for your construction or remodel needs.
We have architect teams, interior designers, and construction teams all in-house.
We even have our own cabinet shop so we can design custom cabinets and closets to your specifications.
By keeping everything internal, our scheduling department ensures that we adhere to a strict timeline. There's no waiting for one company to deliver to another. We work with you to ensure that we're fulfilling your wishes promptly.
We've flipped over 100 houses and are currently working on several more from the ground up. We have the experience and the dedicated team to handle any size building project.
And this is only a small taste of all we offer. Contact us today and let us know how we might be able to help you. We would love to meet you.
Thanks for taking the time to check us out. Feel free to take a look around our website to see some of the transformations we've made.
Thank you.